So the next thing we're going to do is pull out the center of the main. So we loosened it up. I took this miniature craftsman set, another 30 seconds, and loosened that up with this hex right here. So this comes out. So it's got a lot of fine holes in it. It's hard to see it. So we're going to blow some carb, clean it through it, and looks pretty good. So this thing here, this is going to ride in it from this side actually. See, it rides in it from that side. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in. This looks good. I'm just going to spray this a little bit more again. Carefully you don't cross the threads, and recommending using this tool right here. You don't have to tighten it, just give it a crank. It's right there. It's actually right there where it should be. And so the next thing we're going to do is this here. I guess we can, on this thing here, we're going to just quickly re-inspect it, make sure there's no rips or anything like that in it, and it actually looks good. I don't see any rips anywhere. It actually looks pretty good. And to pull this out, I'm not too sure, so I might take my nifty little tools here. It has a slight offset. I'm just going to go in there and probe around a little bit and see if I actually see that it has a Phillips head on it. So this thing here has a Phillips head on it. So, but doesn't seem like it wants to. Oh, it came out. So we're gonna flip this over. Oh, it looks like it just locks in there on us. Okay, there's the spring. So you don't want to lose that piece. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. So there's the old pin. There's the old pin. And I guess we go ahead and spray that. So okay, that looks good. And then we'll go ahead and here's the new pin. There's the new pin. So we'll put that pin in there. So this is not going to be easy, it looks like. So we're going to just grab this without squeezing it. And try to get that in that hole. And drop it in. So next, again, this is like rocket science. So this looks like it just gets, you can see the little tabs if you look in there, the little slots. I'm trying to rotate this so you can see it. So when this piece goes in there, you have to slide these three tongues, I'll call them tongues, these three tongues have to be slid underneath those three grooves in there. So those three things have slots in them if you can really see them. See, there's one, there's two, and there's the third one. So we're going to put this in. I guess what we're going to do is pull this back out again and see if this, how this hooks up here. This is kind of strange, because that's how it's just going to sit like that, I guess. I guess that's all it does. It just pushes on that, just like that. So I guess there's no magic to it. I guess we'll get this back in there again. So using the tool again, just grab it. Just grab it carefully, don't squeeze it, and slide it back into that hole. There you go. So the next thing we're going to do is, I always debate about spraying the plastic stuff with the spray, like it's going to melt the plastic, but it doesn't seem to, so I just want to get any crap off of it. Alright, so that's cool. So shake it, does it? Alright, so that's in there. Hope I don't get stuff all over my phone. Okay, so now I'm using a Galaxy S7 to do this videotaping. So that's fun. So gently slide this. So what we're going to do is grab this here like so, slide it down there, just like so, and you're going to grab it to lock it in there. Okay, so I think we're locked in. I think we're locked in already. But I want to be sure, so I'm going to play with it a little bit to see exactly what I did to lock it in. Yeah, that's the only way. That's locked in. So there's no way that that can come out now unless you push it down and turn it. So now it's, the spring is that spring that we sprayed is pushing up on it to keep that from popping out. So that's how that little gadget works. So it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So now I'm going to put this back in, and see this little tab. See that I'm going to put this back in. Sorry, I'm going to put this back in. See that little tab there? That little rub. That's going to be positioned right up to that little area right there. So you're gonna put this in, and be careful with the diaphragm. Sorry about this. That's better. So we're gonna be careful of this diaphragm. I mean, it can take some abuse. Obviously, it's working all the time. But, and then get this right back inside that little groove where it belongs. It's not easy. It's actually a pain in the ass. Okay. So it looks like we got it in. Looks like we got it in. Just make sure it's in. Make sure it's in. So with that in, now we take our spring, stick it in there. We take, so you see the little nubby on the cover. So that nubby's got to face up with, I believe, over here. because I don't see any other spot. And make sure that this spring rides inside of that hub, that inner hub. So there it is. Bring it down easy and put it right into the spot there. And it looks like it's flush all the way around. So now it comes with brand new screws, so we're going to use them because the other ones are slightly stripped on the Phillips part of it. So just tighten them up. Just snug it first. Just bring it down, snug it, and back off. Okay, so again, it's going to be a tough one to get in there because that's not magnetic. I got a magnetic screwdriver right here. So we're going to put this on the magnetic screwdriver, and then we're going to guide the screw in here. It's great to have magnetic tip screwdrivers. So just kind of back it off. Once you bottom it out, back it off, and then we'll tighten it on at the end. So put that one in. And then we're going to put this one in. Then after we get these in, I'm going to stop the video and then go to the next part of this carburetor rebuild. So now I'm snugging them up. So snug it now. Okay, tighten them. And then go around them again, but don't go too crazy. Just make sure the play's out of it and they're bottomed out. There, that's all. That's all. Okay, over and out.